Uganda's judiciary has launched a judgment writing tool for judicial officers. It is hoped that this digital innovation will help judicial officers draft judgments even faster. The goal is clear. It aims to cut down the time spent writing rulings.
It is embedded in Microsoft Word. It is going to look like and work like what you're used to. What has happened is that they're just going to add another tab on your Microsoft Word, which will be the judgment writing tool. You will be able to get Ugandan local content on Microsoft Word. You'll be able to access Ugandan laws. You'll be able to access Ugandan legislation. Why is that unique? Because in your normal work, you normally be typing out your judgment. You'd have to save it and then go into Google, then go into Yuli, then go into the search engine of Yuli to look for your case or to look for your what? Your legislation. Now you will be able to do it on one platform.
Judicial officers have been facing heavy workloads, and this leads to delays in delivering decisions. Case backlog remains high in Uganda's courts. Thousands of cases are yet to be resolved. Delayed justice affects citizens and erodes trust. And as the saying goes, justice delayed is justice denied. The judgment writing tool changes that.
A judgment is not simply a document. It is the mechanism through which equality under the law is realized. It is how citizens understand their rights. It is how businesses assess risk and invest with confidence. It is how public trust in institutions is built. Timely, well-structured, and transparent judgments strengthen confidence in the judicial system. They reinforce predictability, and they deepen access to justice. Technology, when thoughtfully designed and responsibly deployed, can support these objectives. This judgment writing tool was intentionally built to integrate into your existing workflow within Microsoft Word.
We believe that if the judges can have a centralized workplace where they have features like case law, features like legislation, features like templates to help them consistently write their judgments. They already know what they're going to write. They can already pre-detect what they're going to write. Then it helps them tremendously reduce the time in judgment writing, then tremendously reduce case backlogs that they're grappling with right now.
The product that you have is a product of about 2.2 billion Uganda shillings.
Judiciary officials say the tool boosts efficiency. It supports timely justice delivery.
If you are able to work out your workload, your backlog, and the quality of your judgments, then that is something that is good for the rule of law.
This forms part of broader digital reforms implemented by the judiciary. This include electronic case management systems and AI-powered legal research tools.
Where is AI in all of this? At the time when we did the contract, AI was not the big thing, but now it is. 3 years later, AI is big. But we are able to work together with the team and use other tools within Microsoft, which will allow you to use AI for purposes of editing, for purposes of even looking for more content in terms of what the law is.
The launch marks a step forward. The judiciary promises more improvements ahead. This tool is one of key pieces in modernizing courts. Daniel Kibet, NTV.